Sending money to friends and family just got incredibly simple with Zelle integrated right into your Bank of America mobile app. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to send and receive money fast and securely with Zelle, making person-to-person payments a breeze, ready to ditch the cash and checks. Let's dive in. First things first, open your Bank of America mobile app and log in securely using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Move Money section, which is usually found on your main account dashboard. Within Move Money, you'll see the Zelle option. Tap on it to access the peer-to-peer payment service. Here you'll see two main options, send money and receive money. We'll start with sending. To send money, tap Send Money. You'll need to enter the recipient's U.S. mobile number or email address. Make sure it's the one they've enrolled with Zelle. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. You can also add a short note to remind the recipient what the payment is for. Before you finalize, always review the details. Carefully check the recipient's information and the amount one last time. Once you're confident, tap to confirm your payment. You'll receive a confirmation message, and usually the money arrives in minutes. Now, let's briefly touch on receiving money. Tap Receive Money to see your Zelle profile and the information you can share. To receive funds, simply share your enrolled U.S. mobile number or email address with the sender. The money will then be deposited directly into your Bank of America account. Received payments will appear in your transaction history, making it easy to track all your Zelle activity. It's that straightforward. Using Zelle with Bank of America is a secure and incredibly convenient way to handle your everyday payments. Master these easy person-to-person transactions today. Zelle Bank of America.